The next topic is Simulink, a brief introduction. It is an interactive graphics-based program that allows you to solve problems by creating models using a set of built-in blocks. It is a part of the MATLAB software suite and requires MATLAB to run. Applications. It is designed to provide a convenient method for analyzing dynamic systems, that is, systems that change with time. It found early acceptance in the signal processing community and is reminiscent of the approach used to program analog computers. One way to think of Simulink is as a virtual analog computer. Its strength is its ability to model dynamic systems, which are modeled mathematically as differential equations. Now, getting started. To start Simulink, open MATLAB and type Simulink in the command window or select the Simulink icon from the shortcut toolbar as shown in the figure. The Simulink library browser opens, showing the available libraries of blocks used to create a Simulink model. To view the blocks, either select the library from the left-hand pane or double-click on the icons in the right-hand pane. To create a new model, select File, then New, then Model from the browser window. Now I have explained two models. In model 1, I have simply add different blocks to get the addition of numbers. Now first model will simply add two numbers. From the library, click and drag the constant block into the model window. Then repeat the process so that there are two copies of constant block in the model. Now drag the sum block into the model. Draw connections between the constants and sum block by clicking and dragging between the ports. To add a display, select and drag display block to model and connect it to output port of sum block. So this is how our model looks like. The last thing you need to do before running the model is to adjust the simulation time from the box on the menu bar. Run the simulation by selecting the Run button on the toolbar or by selecting Simulation, then Start from the menu bar. The last thing that you have to do is save this model in the usual way by selecting File, then Save, and adding an appropriate name. The files are stored with the extension .mdl. So this is how our model 1 works. When we enter any values in the constant blocks, the display will shows the addition of these two values. The model 2, here we are going to solve differential equations with Simulink. Now create a model by dragging the appropriate blocks onto the model window and connect them. The blocks include a clock to generate times, which is selected from the source library, math function block that modified in the parameter window to square the block input. This will be selected from math operations library, sum block, which is commonly used blocks library, an integrator block from continuous library, and a scope block from sync library. So connect all the blocks as shown in the figure and the desired result is displayed. So this is how you can use Simulink to create different models, or we can say block diagrams of various systems or functions. So this is all. Thanks.